Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to change the color of any shirt in Picsart. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So let's go ahead and open our Picsart. You can go ahead and download this app from Play Store or App Store. Alright, I'll leave the link in the description so that you can access it at any time that you want. Alright, so the first thing that we have to do is first of all select the image that we want to actually edit. Alright, the image that you want to change the color of. So let's go to all photos, then we select one image, then we use it for the tutorial. Alright, so I'm just going to scroll through my gallery and select a picture. Alright, so I'll go with this image. So having selected the image, first of all click on tools. So from tools, I'll just have to click on adjust. Alright, so when you click on adjust, come to saturation and increase the saturation all the way to 100% like this. Alright, so having done this, click on a check mark right at the top right corner over here. Then after that, come back to effects. So once you get to effects, you see there are options over here. If you select it immediately, it may be on FS, which is like function, and you can also have it on canvas. All right, but what you have to select over here, it is color. All right, so you scroll sideways all the way to colors, then you select colors, and having done that, come back and click on color replace. All right, so click on color replace. So having clicked on the color replace, make sure you select this color picker and move it around the area that you want to change the color of. So in this case, I'll change the red color. So once the color picker is on it, I'll just have to allow it, then I come back. You can see that what the color of my shirt, like the suit, has already changed. All right, so what you have to do is to click on the eraser icon at the top here. Then zoom the image. All right, zoom it like this. Having it like this, then click on erase. Set the hardness all the way to 100%. You can play with the size if you want. All right, then you clean it this way. You clean the image, the areas that have changed and you don't want it to be like that, you clean it and you are good to go. So let's do that quickly. Now here we have it. We already changed the color of our suit. All right, so you can just go ahead and click on the check mark at the right top corner over here, then you go ahead and save your image. All right, so you come here and click on save, then you save it to your device, your phone device, then you are good to go. You can also off it to any other color that you want. So in this case, you just have to come back to effects again, then select color replace. Then this time around you select the blue. That means you want to change the blue to any other color. So you come down here and move the slider to whichever color that is preferably okay for you. All right, you choose the color that is okay for you. You can play with the main hue, and you can also play with other adjustments like the max hue, the maximum hue. The top one is the minimum, so you can also play with this one. When you're okay with it, then you leave it like that. All right, so let's assume we want to go with something like this, then we just have to click on the eraser icon at the top here again, then click on erase. And after this, we do the same thing again by increasing the hardness all the way to 100 and zooming the image like this. Then we clean the middle. All right, you can see that the color of the middle changed to a little bit blue, green, so we have to change it back to the original color. So that's why we are using the eraser to erase the color over here. All right, so you just have to take your time and do this carefully, then you are good to go. Hope you are learning something from here, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. If you are doing it and you made a mistake, let me just go back, and you made a mistake by cleaning a part like this, just come back and click on restore. When you click on restore, go back and move your hand over it, okay, your finger over the same place, then you are good to go. Then come back to erase, reduce the size of your brush a bit, then you work it out. It is as simple as this. All right, so you can see that we have few thing over here to restore. So let's click on restore, go back and do that quickly. So we have our image over here again, so you just go ahead and save it, then you are good to go. So I want to thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video with others. Bless up.